say, bro, I be getting, man, say, I told you, bro, I be getting some shit that, man, people, man, say, they don't even, man, they don't get this shit, man, because
I
I
ain't
like
gonna
to be,
lie.
like you say, something different. Like you
I
said,
ain't
something
buying no
different.
more Glocks. I ain't buying no more Glocks,
Man,
man.
I
I
ain't
ain't
buying
buying no
no,
more
bro.
Glocks. I ain't buying no more Glocks. I ain't gonna lie. I'm done with the Glocks. Cause people making guns that take Glock mags that's damn near better than Glock straight out the factory.
Here go the boxer. Look, this is right here.
Yeah, see, you put me on something.
Bro, go look it up. Look it up, bro. I'm
You
telling you, you're
put
gonna be like, what?
you
Bro.
put you
And
put
hey,
me
matter
on
of fact,
something. I ain't
say
seen that yet.
one of the homies, they got one, bro. It's that name, but it's a pro version. Bro, this sucker, man, say you gonna be like, what? Say the bitch is crazy, bro. I could shut I ain't gonna touch it. Make sure I don't touch it.
Nah, I'm looking now.
Say, this sucker's bad, bro. This sucker's
Yeah,
bad,
they
bro.
yeah, you putting that you just put me on game.
That sucker,
And
say,
it's
bro.
and
I'm
it's
telling you, then
contact.
it come with its own two grips. It is. Yeah, man. That's a new name you need to look up, bro. Cause they got another version. I need to look up the name too, cause they got a new one just came out too, bro. That sucker look
Yeah, I ain't
bad.
gonna say I just looked them up on here. They got a channel on here.
Oh, see, you ain't saying nothing. I gotta look it up too, cause shit, I need to see this new one, cause one of the bros got one, and that sucker look like it just uh cut it up and look nasty. And then I saw the name. I'm like, hold on, I guess I got the little brother. He got the big brother, and that bitch is nice, bro.
Yeah, I was
That's
just gonna say they got the big version with them red grips on there on here.
see, that's the one I think he got. See, that's what I need to look up and
That
see
big
how.
boy.
I'm trying to see what it looking like. Cause
You
man,
know
that
what?
mother.
They kind of remind me of them CZs a little bit.
But see, they say it's something like that, but it's like they say it's the Avrex or something like that mixed with another gun, and that's how they make that gun. But yeah, it take Glock magazines and everything. Bars. They don't know nothing. See, I ain't even been pushing that on these bars yet. You hear me?
Hey,
They don't know
hey,
nothing about that shit.
I don't,
Hey, and
I ain't even never seen nothing about them right there. I ain't gonna cap.
I got a 30 barrel on that bitch now. Man, say I ain't even been pushing it yet. You hear me, man? They say they don't be quiet. I'm killing them. I be like, man, nah, I get something that these boys don't get. You did. They be all, that's a clown. I said, yeah, but you ain't seen it yet though. Bars. Yeah.
That shit ain't no clone. That's what motherfuckers. That's what people call shit like that that don't really
You
be
know when they
on.
want to be
They
mad because
don't
damn, you
know
got
nothing
some.
about shit.
You already know, bro. Say I love the name. You did, cause shit, when you see that bitch get to be seen more, I bet you gonna want to get one. And I got it first. Oh, bro, you ain't seen that other one that had came out from Texas though. You seen the one that came out from out of Texas,
Nah,
the Ross Martin?
nah. It's on your channel.
Oh hell yeah, man! It probably on the Cooking with Love channel.
Man, bro, you got different channels, bro, and be posting so much shit. You know what I'm saying?
Bro,
I ain't
I
gonna
gotta keep
cap.
it popping, bro. I told y'all, man. I'm a black man. I'm gonna keep this shit popping, man. I'm told y'all, man. Hey, I told y'all I am my channel. So shit, if I could do it on one time, I could do that shit two times. I could do that shit two times. I'm gonna try to do that shit three times. It is.
Oh me, I'm bored.
That's why I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Shit, let's keep that bitch popping. For
Hey,
real.
and you be putting so much shit on there. I ain't gonna cap. I be looking at shit, and then I be
Boom,
like,
another
damn,
pop
this.
up, another come on. Boom, another
Hey,
pop up.
on me.
Hey, you know,
Like,
in the
god
morning, so I
damn.
gotta. Hey, you already know in the morning, I gotta hit y'all with at least a good 5 or 10 before I pop on live. That's why I tell them, man, if y'all know my channel, man, y'all already know, man. I'm gonna drop at least about 10 videos before I go and pop on live. Be like, bam. I'm gonna see who waiting on me. You hear me? That's how I do.
Man,
Cause I already know.
you been seeing AR you been on AR lives?
Oh yeah, I be popping through, but man, I don't be in the midst of all that. You know what I'm talking about? That's why I stay to
I
myself on my
hey
own
man,
shit.
man. Man, I ain't gonna lie. I was like, damn, I was scared to say hi